Let's observe the following situations. You might have observed in an auto repair shop that there is a hydraulic lift to lift the heavy cars. We can understand this on the basis of Pascal's law. You might have experienced during a cricket match that the direction of the ball bowled by a spinner is unpredictable and is difficult to play. Why the ball of the spinner is often unpredictable. Also, during a storm, the roof of the hut is blown with the storm. Why is this so? We use a spray gun to spray the insecticide. How does a spray gun work? We can answer all these questions by applying Bernoulli's principle. You might have seen that water droplets on the surface of a leaf are nearly spherical in shape. A water strider moves easily on the surface of the water as though it is walking on some hard surface. Water and other essential nutrients get pulled up into the roots of the plants from the soil. When a needle is kept in a soft tissue and gently placed on the calm surface of the water, we observe that the tissue sinks, but the needle remains afloat despite being denser than water. This is because of the property of surface tension of the fluid. To understand all these phenomena, we delve into the topic mechanical properties of fluids.